Sodick.
In the field of micro/precision machining of molds, medical device parts, etc., high precision and high-quality finished surfaces, as well as efficiency to achieve short delivery times are required. Sodick has developed the UX450L and UX650L machining centers with linear motor drive, highly rigid linear guides, and high-speed rotary spindles in response to these needs in the field of micro and precision machining. In addition to high speed, high accuracy, and high efficiency machining performance, the machine is equipped with a number of functions to solve issues at manufacturing sites, such as addressing labor shortages, dependency on individual skills, and energy conservation. This time, we will introduce the features of the UX series. Machine tools in the precision machining field are required to not only have high machining performance, but also energy-saving performance and high speed to improve productivity. In addition to shortening machining time, optimizing operation during non-machining times when no cutting chips are being produced leads to reduced power consumption and improved machine productivity. In the UX series, the structure around the spindle has been redesigned to reduce weight and improve rigidity. Compared to the conventional UH series models, the spindle head has been made 8.3% lighter for the UX450L, 11% lighter for the UX650L. And the linear motor and linear scale arrangement has been optimized to improve motion performance and the response characteristics of each axis. Reduces machining time. Reducing the weight of the drive system has reduced the load on the motor, improving the acceleration of the feed axis and reducing power consumption during operation by 8.5%. It also comes equipped with a spindle thermal displacement compensation function, significantly reducing the warm-up time that would normally require 15 minutes, 900 seconds. Furthermore, ATC time is reduced by 50%, achieving significant time reductions, including non-cutting time. Additionally, the UX series is equipped with a new idling stop function that provides powerful support for energy conservation. Similar to the idling stop function in a car, this function automatically turns off the power when the machine is not in use. After the machining program is completed, the system automatically stops idling at night or on holidays, when it is difficult to manually shut off the power, thereby contributing to reducing CO2 emissions and power consumption. The UX450L comes standard with our proprietary linear motors on all three axes of XYZ. Sodick's linear motors boast accurate positioning precision developed in EDM machines, as well as long-term stability, repeatability, and high responsiveness, and are characterized by their backlash-free direct drive. The ultra-rigid LM guides on each axis have low waving and vibration damping properties comparable to those of hydrostatic guides, maximizing the characteristics of linear motors and enabling high-speed, high-precision machining. The spindle orientation function, which fixes the spindle in a fixed position, improves the run-out accuracy of the tool. By keeping the spindle and holder at the same angle at all times, dynamic run-out variation is suppressed to a maximum difference of 0.3 micrometer. The UX series enables the introduction of automation systems that match the manufacturing site and machining content. The high repeatability and long-term stability make it ideal for automation, allowing you to introduce the optimal automation system for your purpose, such as reducing labor hours, improving productivity, stabilizing machining quality, and preventing human error. The Auto Work Changer SR12 is a conveying system based on the concept of large capacity and space saving. Aimed at applications that use a large number of small workpieces, the stalker and robot are housed in a compact chassis. The layout can be changed according to the type of machine to be supported. The shelf configuration can be changed according to workpiece size. Holds up to 40 workpieces up to 150 mm in height within 70 cubic mm and up to 20 workpieces within 150 cubic mm. In addition, We offer a wide variety of automation and manpower-saving systems tailored to the manufacturing site, such as Motion Expert S software that accurately calculates machining length and time before actual machining, support for high-precision on-machine measurement systems, and ASF equipment that automates troublesome tool shrink fitting and burnout operations. Sodick's strength lies in the fact that, in addition to its own machine bodies and NC equipment, it also develops these functions and systems for automation in-house, enabling it to propose the optimal automation system for each customer's machining environment.